Hey everyone, I'm here, my name's Scott, I'm a volunteer here at Aldersgate, and I'm here to do another science lesson with you today. This is one that was actually sent in from one of the campers, so if you have any science experiments you want me to do, or any science concepts you want to learn more about, please feel free to email them to megan@campaldersgate.com, and we'll get to as many as we can. So today is, I'm sure you've all seen online before, the Coke and Mentos reaction. And a lot of times people use Diet Coke or they use regular Coke, any kind of soda really, doesn't much matter. What matters is that it's soda and that it has carbonation in it, and really anything that's carbonated. So this works because when you carbonate a soda, what you do is you pump it full of a gas called CO2, and the gas is trapped inside the liquid. And when you open up, you get those bubbles out. Well, those bubbles form on any kind of bump. Anything where there's a lot of surface area in a small space, and the gas attaches to that, and then it releases in these bubbles. So Mentos, by their nature covered in all this liquid sugar as they're being made, create thousands upon thousands of microscopic little bumps that then the CO2 in the soda can attach to and turn itself into bubbles. So this one's pretty easy. Safety first, we don't want to get anything in our eyes. We have to wear our goggles. I'm going to open up my sleeve of Mentos before we open up the Coke. We're going to see, I've seen people do one Mento, I've seen people do the whole sleeve. I'm going to kind of get in as many as I reasonably can today. We'll see how it works. The more the better, because the more, what they call those bumps that the gas attaches to, they call them nucleation points. So the more nucleation points, the better. Open it up. The other great part about Mentos in terms of being something providing nucleation points is because it sinks in the soda, it's able to react with the whole soda the whole way down, as opposed to something that would just float at the surface and just react with the soda at the surface. I'm just gonna and that worked pretty well. A little less here. Can get any left out of the bottom there? So as you see, when you drop the Mentos in, it pretty instantly starts reacting with all the gas, and the gas actually expands so quickly it forces a lot of the soda out with it. So if you see, it's drained almost, more than half of the soda probably out of it. Anyway, that's our science experiment for today. I hope you all have a great day.